Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex. Ako, now. Uy, try lang. Ayun, better. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I'm going to share with you, no, mabilisan lang talaga tong vlog na to, about Lime Odyssey. Ang daming nag-request kasi nito. So I'm just going to tell you some information, no, especially ngayon na meron silang malaking event. Okay, so let's start. So ito guys, ayan, start tayo. Meron akong nakita online saying that Lime Odyssey is making a return as a mobile real-time strategy game. Ayan. So matagal na pala itong Lime Odyssey. And then after this, I also found another article that says canceled PC. No, Lime Odyssey is coming to mobile in partnership. And then another article says also that NFT games since 2018, the comeback of Item Network. Ayan. And the recent project ng Itam Network is the Lime Odyssey. So matagal na pala itong Lime Odyssey. And then ngayon lang talaga siguro siya na-push, no? With the help, with the support of the Itam Network. So sino nga ba si Itam Network? Ayan. Meron tayo ditong article saying that don't miss Itam Games, no? Ayan. If you missed Axie, Benamon, Faraland, don't miss this out according to this article. And then, ayan no, 8 million market cap, game dropping soon, NFT packs available next week by Back and Burn happening. So actually, this week na ito, no? Kasi 6 days ago pa itong article na to. So Itam Games, they are a Korean game development company. Itam Games is a Korean game development company established since 2018 and are shortly dropping their play to earn NFT game Lime Odyssey Mobile. Ayan, so key points nila, they have partnered no with none other than Samsung themselves. So yung founder ng Samsung guys is from Korea, South Korea. Ayan. And then they have released 4 games already. Later papakita ko sa inyo yung mga games na produce ng Itam. And then Lime Odyssey has been in development since 2018 and the graphics and gameplay style show the quality of this. So matagal na ito, hindi to siya bago. So, yan, no? Yan yung advantage if you read articles online. So, let's look at ito yung kanilang model, play to earn model ng Itam. Yan, no? You can read everything here. Yan. So, yung pinopromote talaga ngayon is si Lime Odyssey. So, ito yung kanilang store. Yan. They have produced games already, ha? In the past years. Ayan, meron silang Dark Town, The Onion Knights, Dungeon Princess, and so on. So ngayon, pinaka-latest nila na release will be the Lime Odyssey. So ano nga ba si Lime Odyssey? So this is the content, no? Summary lang ito. So ayan, yan yung characters. That's their main banner with the Chronicles of Orta. Ayan. So how to play? The battle takes place as the route is set according to the scenario. There are a total of 24 chapters in the game and there are 280 stages overall. And then you have to organize your own party with collected mercenaries. And then your goal will be to clear all scenario stages. So kailangan parang survival siya, no? You have to survive from all those stages until you reach the end point. So rewards will be various materials necessary to grow heroes and equipment. So world boss, meron silang ganito sa game. So how to play the world boss battle? This is a wave, no, that monsters are continuously created over time. So talagang patatagan dito. And then take on various bosses in the event world held 3 times a day. So 3 times a day ang event na ito. So the goal will be up to how many rounds of wave can withstand, no? And identify the characteristics of world boss and organize suitable party. Yan. And the rewards will be soul stones to summon various mercenaries and pets. Ayan. Another, we also have the infinite dungeon. Infinite, no? How to play. So the battle is fought considering the various acts of each floor. And it is floor dungeons composed of infinite tower. Wow. So there will be 100 floors and Temple of the Moon, no? Ang tawag sa pinakamataas, pinaka-highest nila na floor will be the Temple of the Moon. So the goal will be to clear to the final floor of the two towers, organize a party or a team with mercenaries that fit the feature of each floor. The rewards will be various skill cards to upgrade skills and attributes. And there will be raid boss also. So how to play this? There will be a multi-network content with up to 4 users participating. Nice. Different raid bosses appear depending on the day and time of the week. So meron tayong aabangan. Open 3 times a day at set times. All 9 mercenaries are required to participate. So the goal will be damage as much as possible against the same boss. And the rewards will be various special option stones and various runes. Dual battle, meron din siya. Ayan. So how to play PvP content to compete with other users, win or lose, is decided by party match in a 2 wins out of 3 system. So rewarded will be given by weekly ranking. Ayan. So goals will be first place in the weekly ranking in dual battle, and the rewards will be materials that can awaken a weapon. Meron din tayong Dreaming Desert. So how to play, the mercenaries that can enter each stage are determined. Ayan, no, determined lang siya. Collect treasure chests from bosses up to the 3rd floor. Clear the 3rd floor to finally get the collected treasure chests. So, para siyang maglo-loot ka, no? Dito. Ayan. And then goals, clear the 3rd floors and win treasure chests. So, rewards will be optional stones that can be equipped on various equipment. So, yun yung mga events na kanilang game. Marami siya, guys. Ang daming pwedeng i-expect, no? And to look forward in this game. Ayan, may campaign, may world boss, infinite dungeon, raid boss. Ayan, ang dami niyang events na pwede nating abangan. Hindi ka maboboard. Ayan, so meron silang pre-sale event. And bukas na yung deadline. 28 or, yeah, I guess ngayon, mamaya ata yung kanyang deadline ng kanilang pre-sale. So, I know, fast check lang. Meron silang Lime Odyssey NFT item pre-sale. So, yung deadline niya, yung end date will be July 28, 2021, 8:20 p.m. So, you can just check their pre-sale sa link, pre-sale sa description below. Ilalagay ko na lang din. So, ano yung meron sa kanilang pre-sale? So here you will need your MetaMask account because we'll be connecting our account in the NFT farm. Ito siya. And then guys, sa MetaMask wallet mo, you can purchase up to 3 packages. No? May mga packages available mamaya na pwede ninyong bilhin. And there is no limit in buying a package, but the player can only register up to 30 packages for one playing account. Okay, tapos personal items can be traded. Ayan, if unused no in the game. If package items are used, equipped with a character, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ibenta ulit. Hindi na pwedeng ibenta yung mga second-hand items. Okay, tapos NFT items picked up in-game can be traded at NFT farm. Ayan. Nice, no? Tapos we're going to feature extra services and different rewards during the game service. They will be notified in the community. Ayan. So you can participate in INO presale or INO presale using your MetaMask account. So punta tayo sa kanilang NFT farm. Ayan, nakakonect na ako dito. So let's check their INO part 1. Ayan. So you can buy item or item tokens here. You just have to click this and then you will be redirected to the pancake swap, wherein you can swap your BNB with the token. Ayan. So, time to get some item. Let's go get some items. So, ito yung mga pwede nating makuha. Players. Pre-sale package. Ayan. So, we have here starting with pre-sale package, starting from the bottom. And then, ito yung mga items na pwede. Ayan. May 100 na quantity nito. 100 naman sa ganito. 50. Ayan. So, store price. Ito yung prices niya. Pre-sale package image. Ayan. Okay, so yun siya. If you are interested, you can join the pre-sale of this game no, that will be launched at the end of August. So ano pa ba? If you want to be updated, you can check their Twitter for more information, no? Especially for more updates regarding the event today. Ayan, so thank you so much. I don't know kung nakatulong, pero sana nakatulong. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day, everyone. Bye!